Homeowners ask me all the time if they should update their thermostat to a smart thermostat. This is a great way to give you peace of mind when you're away from the home, as you can check in with mobile apps on your home. So if you're on vacation and you have pets, maybe kids at the house, you can check in to make sure your system is running effectively and efficiently. My personal preference on smart thermostats is the ECOBEE. ECOBEE offers the simplicity of an old thermostat with the modern amenities of a new thermostat. You can still change it from anywhere in the world with your cell phone, while also walking right up to the wall and changing it on the wall. If you're not sure if a smart thermostat's for you, this is a great bridge to that.